If your job feels like a never-ending loop, it's time to break free. With StanFree Solar, you can turn that ambition into serious cash. We're on a mission to spread solar solutions across Washington, D.C., and we need enthusiastic sales reps like you to make it happen. Picture this. Earning $200,000 plus annually is the norm here. Start earning 20 cents per kilowatt on the system size. Sell a 10-kilowatt system? That's a cool $2,000 commission in your pocket. Our compensation plan? Smooth as solar panels on a sunny day. You get $500 within the first 5 to 7 days, another $500 in 3 to 6 weeks, and the remainder stacks up as you close more deals. Residential deals, $2,000 to $8,000. Commercial deals, $5,000 to over $500,000. Payments are straightforward with ACH or Zelle. Why settle for average when you can be extraordinary? Join a supportive team that truly values your growth. Apply now at StanFree Solar and take your first step towards financial freedom today. Visit our website to learn more. Remember, at StanFree Solar, earning big is just the beginning. Your career in solar commissions awaits. Take the leap and join us now.